Hello children, welcome to the e-learning channel. I am Pooja Khanna, your SST teacher. Children, as you remember, we have started lesson number 5 in which we have done 3 exercises, and from yesterday we have started question answers. Okay children, we have done 3 question answers yesterday. That is question number 1. Describe the location and extent of the southern plateaus. Question number 2. Why do the rivers of the Deccan Plateau flow from west to east? Question mark. Where do they fall into? This is question number 2. Then question number 3. Why is Bangalore famous for? Clear? These 3 question answers we have done yesterday. Now, proceeding in the same order, we are going to start from question number 4. Clear children? Now see it properly. As I have started my work from here, so I have written the date on the right side. Clear? Now question number 4. Question number 4. Which important crops are grown in Maharashtra? Question number 4. Listen carefully once again children. Which important crops are grown in Maharashtra? Clear? Now see the answer of it. Important crops grown in Maharashtra are cotton, jowar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane, and fruits like mangoes, grapes, and oranges. Full stop. See once again. They are asking important crops grown in Maharashtra. The answer is important crops grown in Maharashtra. See the spelling children carefully. M is capital. Are cotton, comma, jowar, comma, bajra, comma, groundnut, comma, sugarcane, and fruits like mangoes, grapes, and oranges. Okay, children. Now come on, question number 5. Now, question number 5. See, as I come on the new page, so I have written date and page number. Same, you have also do it. Okay, children. Now, question number 5. Why are Perambur and Kanchipuram famous? Children, Perambur, P of Perambur and K of Kanchipuram is capital because this is the name of a place. Why are Perambur and Kanchipuram famous? Now see the answer that you have to write with blue pen. Question with black and answer with blue. And as I am telling you all, I am leaving one lines in between. You are seeing? Do it in the same manner. Perambur famous for the integral coach factory. Okay, children. Now see, Perambur was missing. Perambur is famous for the integral coach factory that makes railway coaches, and Kanchipuram is famous for its silk saris. See again, Perambur is famous for the integral coach factory that makes railway coaches, and Kanchipuram is famous for its silk saris. Clear? Now let's come on question number 6. Again take black pens in your hand to write the question. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples. Explain. Okay. What the question is? Question is Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples. Full stop. Then write explain and question mark. Now take blue pens in your hand for answer number 6. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples because Nataraja temple, comma, one of the most ancient temples known for both religious and architectural significance. See once again, Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples because Nataraja temple, one of the most ancient temples known for both religious and architectural significance. See the spelling of significance. Nataraja, in Nataraja, N will be capital. Nataraja, Nataraja. That is also known as Nataraj temple. Then religious, Religious. Architectural, Architectural, architectural. Significance, Significance, significance. Then put the full stop. Clear? See all three answers once again, children. Now, children, see once again, one more time, we'll see question 4, 5, and 6. Which important crops are grown in Maharashtra? Answer you will write with blue and question with black. In between, you have to leave one line. Important crops grown in Maharashtra are cotton, jowar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane, and fruits like mangoes, grapes, and oranges. And children, please put the commas in between as you are seeing from my copy too. Clear? So do it accordingly. Don't forget to write this all. And please write the correct spelling and write in a beautiful manner. Clear? Now as I am on a new page, we will write date and page number. Again question number 5. Why are Perambur and Kanchipuram famous? Perambur is famous for the integral coach factory that makes railway coaches, and Kanchipuram is famous for its silk saris. Clear? Answer we have written with blue and question with black. Now question number 6. Question 6. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples. Explain. Answer. Take blue pens in your hand. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples because Nataraja temple, one of the most ancient temples known for both religious and architectural significance. Clear, children? I hope you all have understood it properly. Yesterday we have done question number 1, 2 and 3, and today we have done 4, 5 and 6 answers. Still 2 answers are left that we will do in next class. Okay, children? So please write beautifully. Do your work as I am showing it to you. Thank you, children. Stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.